Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, back at Copart, looking at a few cars to add to the channel, as I always am. 40-some degrees out here today. It's like a heat wave. The sun feels good. Let's get to it. So here we have a neat BMW 2016. This is an i8. Look at that gorgeous color. Now, it's a shame they only did a partial PPF, because now you have a line going all the way across. They just should have done the whole front clip here. But anyways, that's not why it's here. The loss note says unknown, but no, it's known. If you walk to the back, it will be known really quickly. Got hit, not very hard, but enough to break this back glass here, which is very, very expensive. A couple panels popped because of the plastic clips. Wouldn't be that hard of a fix. Everything else looks good. Glad, you know, they have the plastic on there to keep Mother Nature out. I don't see any other damage. What a gorgeous car. Let's take a look inside. So, if I remember correctly, this has the gull wing door. I don't know why they would bother putting seats back there, but I guess, hey. Wow, this is really sharp. I gotta tell you, getting in and out of this thing is not the easiest. But look at this interior. Wow. That is really sharp. Now we do have the fob. Are we going to have power? Wow. We do. Well, I don't know how to operate anything in this thing immediately anyway. But I will keep an eye on this, and I'll look into what's back there and the parts that would probably... Okay. Not really, I mean, we can't look under the hood, we can't pop the back hatch, but I really like this thing. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Okay. Everything carbon fiber. Really cool. All right, on to the next one. How about this one? We have a Grand Sport 2013. Lost type all over. That cracks me up. Doesn't tell me shit. I'm going to guess theft or flood. The windows are taped shut, so I can't open the doors. There's a circle right there, but this is fiberglass. Okay. It was hit on the passenger side. So a door and a quarter panel, which just bolt right on, no big deal. And again, another circle, but it's not like there's going to be a dent there. Well, I'll keep an eye on it. All right, another one I wanted to look at is this Nissan Titan V8 here. This is 2020. Lost type minor dents and scratches. I mean, they're not minor. It did take a pretty good hit. Driver's side is in really good shape. Wheels are pretty neat, but I think it hit a deer. I don't see any hairs or anything caught in the cracks, but you're looking at, hood's fine. You're looking at grille, headlight, bumper, bezel. Fender can be saved, and that's it. Oh, back here. See, this wasn't in the pictures. That's just transfer. No problem there. Popped off the plastic trim. Now this is why you come out to see these in person, because that didn't show up in the pictures. Scratches everywhere, which is pretty cool because we can correct those. Inside's going to look pretty damn good because it is a 2020. Yeah, I've really been keeping my eye on this one. It's finally coming up to bid on. So let's go over to the other side there. For some reason, I can't get the window to go back up. It's weird, but let's hop inside. We do have a key. Do we have juice? No, of course not. So I'm gonna have to call somebody over to give it a quick jump. But this is definitely on the list. There's nothing, everything's gonna work. I don't know why that window doesn't go up and down. I don't know why the window doesn't go up, but everything else should work. Got the mats back there. Dang it, I wanted to hear this run. All right. Let's see if we can find the next one. This is definitely on the list. And that's the row of crispy critters. What a shame. So here we have a 2010 Camaro RS, lost type mechanical. And that can mean anything. Walking around it, we have a couple dings. We have a spot of bother right there. Couple dings on this side. Well, let's take a look at the driver's side. All right, driver's side. Do we have any juice? No. And the seat is all the way up. Let's see if we can pop the hood. So even with the jump unit on it, we could not get it started, so it could be something electrical. No juice. What a shame. Well, still keep an eye on it as it goes through. See where the bids go. And finally, something probably a little bit more sensible. Lexus Rs350. Now this loss type will just be normal wear and tear. So this could be anything really. The outside looks pretty good. Be a nice challenge to get this champagne color to really pop. There's a little bit of damage there, no big deal. Everything else looks good. That's a good looking vehicle right there. Ooh, I like that color combination. Yes, yes, absolutely. Oh, that's nice. Let's get in the driver's side. Not a lot of wear on the door panel, a little bit on the bolster. You can re-dye that. And we have power. We also have the key fob. All right, well, battery's dead, so let me, well, everything's on. Let me get the jump over here and get this going. I want to hear this. I want to hear this run. That's my jump unit. I had it in my pocket. All right, so it turns over, and I don't want to go any further than that. Could be a fuel pump, could be anything, but that's why you come out here and look at these things in person. Absolutely, that's why you have to come out here and look at these things. The listing doesn't have. The listing has it as a run and drive, which means at some point it started, went back and forward. It doesn't anymore. So that will hinder the bidding. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Can't bring the OBD2. Really frowned upon to bring your jump unit in here, but I had my little one in my pocket from the last visit. That's going to do it for today. I'm going to keep all of these on the list and see what happens to them. It's a shame for this one here. Well, we'll see what happens. Catch you guys in the next video.